And so the other component to securing applications is actually thinking about what's stored underneath that. So what types of information are you actually storing? Is it specific credentials? Is it competitive analysis? Is it customer PII? From a HR perspective, obviously we're storing information on staff, where they live, payroll information, that type of thing. And then obviously from a finance and accounting standpoint, there's a stack of information in there as well about P&L analysis, as well as obviously tax requirements, tax file numbers, social security numbers as an example. The legal one and the C-suite are quite interesting, which don't normally get talked about that often. And so, from a legal perspective, if you think of like a general counsel in your business, if you're a larger business, they are actually controlling a significant amount of proprietary information. They're reviewing contracts. Those contracts are being shared internally, externally. They deal with intellectual property, IP, and other types of strategic documents, M&A documents as an example, due diligence documents, those type of things. And then from the C-suite perspective, again, most of the information that they're looking at is highly sensitive. It's financial forecasts, P&Ls, balance sheets as an example. And if you're a private company, you don't want that information exposed. If you're a public company, it's different. You've got to disclose that. But the other component to this that comes up as well is sort of board communications. Most board members don't just sit on one board, they sit on multiple boards. And so if they're effectively housing, their board material in an app that isn't controlled by you, how do you protect that? So there's two elements here. It's really thinking about the data that underlines all of the applications that you're using. And then from the top down perspective is really thinking about what passwords are being used to secure those applications. Are they long, strong and complex? Do they conform with NIST standards as an example? Are you using multi-factor authentication over the top of those? Can you federate them to an SSO IDP environment? And if you can't, well, then the former two components become highly important, right, in terms of the way that you manage it.